It is really funny how technology is advancing nowadays. Now, there is a particular reason I'm calling it funny is because when we were kids, people used to say he's angutha chap, he doesn't know how to read and write, right? So literacy, we used to say that if somebody cannot sign, he's illiterate, right? So he is angutha chap. And then came the world of technology, and then we said we don't have to lift our pen and paper to write. Today we can type, right? And then came the era of voice recognition. Whatever we could speak, the AI can write. We are right now in that. Right? We have come back full circle into that era where even if we have to unlock our phone, we have to use our thumb, angutha. The same way today, Aadhaar card or whatever. So everywhere now we have our unique identities, our fingerprints, right? And the retina prints. So it is funny how technology is taking a full circle. But in the middle of this, have you realized that the biotech industry is also taking a full circle? So let's talk about the old days. So in the old days, people used to first test things out on microorganisms, animal toxicity studies, and then they used to go for the clinical research. Now today, they are creating AI models to test things out. They are using AI to do research on various diseases. So I'll just tell you, last Friday, I was talking to the CEO, Dr. Alan Roth of this company called as Oxford Drug Design. So Oxford Drug Design is a spin-off from Oxford University, and they have come up with this AI model to detect cancer, and they have this unique model which can not just detect cancer, but it can scale and it will give you only those molecules which can be synthesized in the lab. And they have combined the knowledge of medicinal chemistry, biotechnology, and of course AI, and they have come up with this product. And now investors are running behind them to invest, and this is going to be a very big company of the future. So he was telling me this, that AI is not here just to transform the industry, it's going to obliterate the way experiments are done in the lab. So like right now, if you want to do something, you have to go in the lab. Tomorrow, you don't have to go in the lab at all. You first run it inside a software, find if it will work or not, and only select that methodology which the software says will work or not. That is the power of bioinformatics. That is the power of artificial intelligence and machine learning. And that is where today biotech experiments have come a full circle, where you don't have to go back to the lab. You can just do it right inside your computer, right? So keeping this in mind and the revolution which is going on right now across the world, I will quickly tell you the top 5 companies which are hiring through Biotecnica's platform as well as from other platforms like LinkedIn also. If we have to look at Illumina is one such company which is hiring from various platforms, including Biotecnica, very high salary jobs. We are looking at bio IT jobs. Illumina is a top company. Then Thermo Fisher is also hiring for bio IT candidate, bioinformatics candidates. Then you have Roche. Then you have BGI from China. They're also hiring consistently. Then you have Kaizen, which is hiring. It is a Netherlands-based company. Then you have Agilent Technologies, which is also hiring. So these are 4 or 5 or 6 companies which are hiring actively in the bioinformatics domain. Now the question is, who should start, when should you start, and how should you start, right? To help you do that, we have a special batch of Bioinformatics Winter Internship. This is the last batch starting from 31st of January. Now this particular batch is going to be the last batch for the Winter Internship, and it has got projects for HIV, for cancer, for neurodegenerative disorders, apart from various other drug discovery projects. Now this project will begin only if you have taken the 30 days of training. So first you have to take the training, then these 6 months and 12 months projects will start. You have the opportunity to work offline with our scientists or online, whichever way you want, you can work. You will get the opportunity to publish papers with our scientists. You'll get an opportunity to get the work experience letter and recommendation letter also. And if you're able to publish minimum of 2 research papers along with us, you will get a permanent employment right here in Biotecnica. So that also is available. So this is a golden opportunity for all the students, all the bio professionals who want to restart their career or continue their career in bio IT. They want to get employed, and also after this training and this project is completed, our placement team will start connecting you and arranging interviews with other HRs of other biotech companies, and they will also hire you. So we have right now penetration across USA, Europe. In India, we have Bangalore-based companies, we have Hyderabad-based companies, we have Chennai-based bio-IT companies, Ahmedabad-based bio-IT companies, and also Delhi-based bio-IT companies who are exclusively hiring through our platform. So our placement team will connect you to them, and there also you can get a job. The starting salary is around 6 lakhs per annum. It goes up to 25 lakhs per annum, depending on your experience, your expertise, and the kind of projects you have done. Now, how this particular model which Biotecnika has is different from others is because, you see, any other place, if you go for training, they'll just give you training. If you go for project, they'll give you academic project, not industrial project. And that is where the difference is. Industrial project is more focused on problem solving. And if you have done an industrial project, then only you get a job in the industry. And Biotecnika's team understands this very, very well. And that is why we have partnered with a Sweden-based multinational pharma company, which is providing this opportunity to our students. And this opportunity is available only for a limited time. So all you have to do is click the link in the description, go ahead, train yourself for bioinformatics, then do the project and get your work experience letter. Utilize that to get placed into the industry, whether through Biotecnika or into these top 5 or 6 bio-IT companies which I mentioned. But whatever you do, the time is today. Because 10 years from today, even bioinformatics, AI, ML field will also be saturated. And I'm warning you this, 10 years from today, you will regret that you didn't get started. But if you start today, 10 years later, you'll be a senior scientist in this field. So all you have to do is get started, link in the description. I will see you soon as a bioinformatician working in Biotecnika projects on cancer, HIV, or any of the neurodegenerative projects. So all the best, take care, see you soon, bye-bye.